Okay, I'm just going to show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2013 Golf. Normally everything's controlled from the radio, but if you go onto the radio there's nothing. So what you have to do in the center of the dashboard and using these buttons here, if I click the left arrow or the right arrow, it takes you to different screens. You see their language. What we have to do, we get to Bluetooth or the phone there. So once you've got to your phone, if your phone's paired, if it's not, you can't get this menu. So get to your phone and then click OK. Then we click down until we get to Bluetooth. See settings there and Bluetooth. So on Bluetooth, click OK, the center, and you've got user. Well, I'll go through user, new user, visibility, media player, phone name, bag. Now you as I say, it's not immediately obvious. So user, click OK on user, and then you get a list of the phones, and you see there Barry's iPhone, that's me, and Julie's phone. So if I click on Julie's phone, you've got connect, rename and delete. So delete Julie's phone, OK. That's it gone. Now I'm going to delete my phone as well. So on my phone you've got connect, disconnect, rename, delete, OK. So you can only seem to delete a mobile when it's connected. What I usually do when I'm doing these is delete my phone first and then delete it from the system, but if you do that you can't delete it from the system.